That's the birds out here. We gotta get that dope out here. That's just how that's how the cops out here giving out the meth out here. The big gang going out here. That's what we doing out here. Like you see, it's 12:30, and that's the birds that blacked out dogs. And that's how they pushing dope out here. That's how the cops are pushing dope out here. And people out here, they smoke so much dope that the birds are up all night. These birds now. There's more harasser in the back of their cars. Then later on, the cops gonna have the people do fireworks. Boom, boom. It is all fine, and the cops give everybody meth. They give everybody dope. They basically keep everybody up meth. That's when they come around all high, all doped out. This is the birds. Don't want you telling me. Hear how the birds are getting loud each time I'm talking about how much they doing. You know, the birds, someone to tell, not to beat the birds, someone to tell. They got so much stuff out here. Fucking, so much stuff out here. Wired down. Let the birds. I basically, they gotta basically keep everybody out. Everybody could all gather in when I dump on the trucks out here. Everybody all could be friends out here. And then nothing, everybody all out here gathering the dope out here. So everybody ought to get that dope that they're getting out here.